Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing how to create the collection and how you can create a request inside it. Collection is a group of requests, same like test suite. So this is the interface you will get as soon as you open Postman, and this is the option from where you can create the collection. So let's first hit new and choose an option of collection. Name your collection. Let's say Postman Eco. Okay. Inside this collection, you are going to add a request. Right click on here and you can add request. And also you can add it from these three dots. Click on it, add request. Okay. So here name your request. Let's say request. Okay. And let's enter the URL or URI, postman get. Okay, so this is get type of request. It's postmaneco.com, a dummy website provided by Postman itself. Okay, and note that this request is type of get. Okay, from this drop down you can select any type of request like get, post, put, patch, delete. Okay, these are some of the common requests. Additionally, Postman has provided copy, head, options, link, unlink, purge, and so on. Okay, in this area, you will be providing your endpoint. Okay, and as soon as you click on send, it is going to send a get request to this endpoint. Okay, with the parameters which you have specified in this request, no parameter is required. We have not provided any parameter. Also, you can supply the authorization. Postman provide this API key, bearer token, basic auth 2.0 authorization type. Okay, you can make use of this. At this moment, again, we are not making use of it because we don't require any authorization in this request. Then there are standard headers which are automatically added by Postman. Other than these headers, we don't require any other header for this particular request. If suppose there is a need, we can add it here. The key and the value you can add it by yourself. Then you can provide the body in the format, let's say, of a type text, JSON, HTML, or XML type. Okay. Again, in this request, we don't need anything. So let's keep it as is. And there is a pre-request script. Here you can provide a script which will be executed before hitting this endpoint. So suppose I want to generate any token before this, or I want to make use of a token before this endpoint is hit. Okay, or any variable I want to use, any other operation I want to do, you can do it from here and then execute this endpoint. There is a test tab which we will be discussing in very detail in a couple of videos. Okay, and this is the area where you can write your test in JavaScript. Okay, at this moment, let me just pick one from here. These are some of the default scripts which are given by Postman itself. Okay, there are some standard settings which are like enabling the SSL certificate automatically, flow redirect, and so on. Okay. On your left hand side, we are on collection tab. Okay, you can have you can create your APIs, you can create your environment variable, you can add your mocking servers. Okay, you can monitor your APIs, you can check the history of all the execution which you have done here. Okay, this is the file menu. From here you can do all your standard file operations, okay, adding and editing any of these options. Then you have your workspaces. You can create your account on Postman, okay, and sign in into this account. As soon as you sign in, it will sync all your collection with that. Okay, if suppose you already have any collection, it will be downloaded on your machine. If not, then whatever request you are creating or collection you are creating, it will be synced to your account. Okay, at this moment you are not making use of it. So let's first hit this request. Okay, let's save this and then let me little bit expand this. So this is the body. You have hit this, okay, and this is your response. Okay, response body. Okay, so you have arguments, few headers, and then the URL which you hit. Okay, you can check this in raw format. Okay, you can preview the HTML content as well. Along with that, you can see the cookies. Okay, what are the headers in response? Okay, and then the test result. This is why, because we have added a test here. Okay, so this test was to check the status code is 200. So in this body, we got this 200 status code. That is why this test was passed. Okay, suppose I make this as 400, okay, and then hit it. So this test should fail. Okay, so here if you go to test result, you will see that 400 was required, but you got 200. Okay, let me put it back to 200. Okay, make this test pass. Okay, since we are on history tab, you are seeing that all these executions are even getting recorded here. Whatever executions you do, it will be shown under history tab. So okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching this video.